Shlok 24 of chapter 1. Sanjay Uvach. Sanjay Uvach, Bharat Gudakeshin Ukto Evam. Sanjay said, O King Dhritarashtra, the one belonging to the dynasty of King Bharat, when Arjun, the conqueror of sleep, said this, Trishikesho Sthapetva Rathottamam, the one who is always victorious over the Indriya, placed the elevated chariot, Madhye Ubhyoh Senyo, in the middle of both the armies, Bharat Gudakeshin Ukto, Evam Hrishikesho, Sthapetva Rathottamam, Madhye Ubhyoh Senyo. Interpretation. O King Dhritarashtra, the one belonging to the dynasty of King Bharat, when Arjun, the conqueror of sleep, said this with enthusiasm, Shiv Baba, the one who is always victorious over the Indriya, that is the light of Shiv, who has entered Arjun, placed the elevated, permanent chariot-like body of Arjun in the middle of both the armies of the Pandavas and the Kauravas.